Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your plan and the exact night window because timing matters for unused data. Once done, make sure your SIM is active and you have enough balance for any add-on, otherwise activation will fail. Next, open My Airtel or prepare the UST code. This is the first actionable move. You're not configuring devices yet, you're only enabling the service. Do that now so the network recognizes you for the upcoming night period. Now activate the night pack. Either dial the Airtel UST or select the offer in My Airtel and confirm purchase. Make sure you pick the right add-on, some are recurring, some one-time, because you want the correct validity. After you buy it, wait for the confirmation SMS. This proves the network allocated the night quota to your number. If you don't get the message, check message settings and try again. Keep the app open until confirmation appears to avoid double purchases. To finish, enable mobile data at the start of the night window and run a quick download or speed test to verify the night bundle is active. You'll know it's working when speeds reflect the allowance. Once verified, schedule large updates or backups within the night window to avoid daytime quota usage. If it doesn't work, restart your phone, recheck the activation SMS for errors, and if needed, contact Airtel support with the SMS timestamp.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.